Hello, this is my video on gestural identifiers. Well, I'll be talking about identifying features of plants. So we're going to start here with this grass looking thing. An identifying feature of this grass is, while the ends look pointy, they're not that painful to stick your hand on the end of, where there are some other grasses that hurt when you do that because they're so sharp and pointy. Next we'll move on to this plant here. We're looking at the bark. It's what you'd consider a flaky bark. When you run your hand on it, kind of flakes off. It's quite thin and papery. So you could call that a paper bark or a flaky bark. Something else about this tree is the leaves. If you take some of the leaves off and crush them and smell them, they smell like tea tree, which tells you that it is a type of tea tree. So another type of bark we can see here on this eucalyptus is a rough bark. Doesn't flake off the same way when you rub it, but if you grab it, it comes off in chunks, kind of like cork. It's a little bit squishy like cork as well. So that's the eucalyptus. And the leaves, eucalyptus leaves, they also smell. When you crush them, they'll smell like eucalyptus. Some of them smell a bit lemony or minty, which helps you identify the specific type of eucalyptus that it is. And we'll come over here, finally, to another type of eucalyptus, which has a smooth bark, very smooth. And its leaves also smell, while they look quite different, they also feel quite different. These ones are quite thick, almost like cardboard, and they have a very waxy sheen on them. Feels very smooth to the touch. And there you have it. There are some identifying features of plants.